In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix X, Twitter not working. Let's get started with the first step. First, check your internet connection. This is crucial because a stable connection is necessary for X to function properly. Make sure you are connected to either Wi-Fi or your mobile network. If you are using Wi-Fi, try moving closer to your router to improve the signal. You can also try switching to a different Wi-Fi network or using your mobile data instead. This ensures that any issues related to your current connection are addressed first. A strong internet connection is the foundation for a smooth experience on X. Next, close and reopen X or refresh x.com if you are using a browser. This simple action can often resolve temporary glitches. When you close the app, make sure to swipe it away completely from your recent apps list. If you're using a browser, refreshing the page can help reload the content correctly. By doing this, you give the app or browser a fresh start, which can clear up many minor issues that may be causing problems. Now, let's move on to the next step: restart your device. This is a very effective troubleshooting method. Restarting your device can clear up memory and stop any processes that might be interfering with X. To do this, hold down the power button and select the restart option. Once your device is back on, check if X is working. This little step can save you a lot of time later, as it often resolves issues that are not immediately obvious. After that, update the X app or your web browser. Keeping your apps and browsers up to date is important. Updates often include patches for bugs and improvements in performance. For mobile devices, visit your app store, search for X, and tap the update button if available. For browsers, check for updates in the settings menu. This ensures you have the latest features and fixes, which can enhance your overall experience on the platform. Next up, turn off any VPN temporarily. Using a VPN can sometimes cause connectivity issues with X. If you are connected to a VPN, disconnect from it and try using X again. This step is vital because it helps you determine if the VPN is the source of the problem. If X works without the VPN, you may need to adjust your VPN settings or use a different server. At this point, if you are using an Android device, clear the X app's data and cache. This action removes old data that might be causing issues. To do this, go to your device's settings, find apps, then locate X, tap on it and select storage. From there, clear both data and cache. On a browser, clear cache and cookies in the settings. This helps refresh the app or browser and can resolve many persistent issues. Now, sign out, then sign back in. Sometimes signing out can reset your session and fix any underlying problems. To do this in the app, go to your profile settings and select Sign Out. Once you are logged out, wait a moment, then log back in using your credentials. This step is a simple way to refresh your access to your account. Finally, if the problem continues, uninstall and reinstall the X app or try using another browser. Uninstalling the app removes any potential corruption. To do this, press and hold the app icon and select Uninstall. After that, go to your app store to download it again. If using a browser, try a different one like Chrome or Firefox. This ensures that you have a clean installation, which often resolves lingering issues. Follow these steps and you should have X working again smoothly.